can try to understanding. Find the greatest number which exactly divides 1008 and 2000. You have to find that number which exactly divides to whom? 1008 and 2000. Okay. Acha, that means if that number exactly divides these two numbers, it means what? Definitely that number is a factor of these two.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
And the greatest means when it is asking greatest, that means the greatest common factor of these two numbers, that is the
Yes, ma'am.
x or the highest common factor. Yes, so is it
Yes,
clear
ma'am.
to all of you, Kazi? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
clear?
Yes, ma'am.
But ma'am, I have used long division method. It will be right.
The process, whatever you can, as it is not mentioned over there, normal prime
What is the
factorization.
question?
The question is find the greatest number which divides both the numbers. Suppose I am asking 3 divides 12. That means 3 is a factor of 12. So, yes or
Yes,
no?
ma'am.
And
Factor.
suppose 3 also divides 15. Then 3 is also a factor of 15. That means 3 is the common factor. Yes, no? Now,
Yes,
suppose
ma'am.
this 3 is not given. Find that common factor which divides both of them. Now you can ask me, ma'am, it may be also 1 too. Apart from 3, it can be also 1 because 1 can also divide both of them. Yes, no? But in the question it is given, find the greatest number. So we have to take the greater one, the factor which is the greatest. Now the same thing, two numbers are there, this one and 2000. We have to find their common factor, not only the common factor, also the greatest common factor. Yes, though?
Yes, ma'am, the greatest common factor.
The greatest. That means we have to find their HCF. Now, is it clear to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
All
Clear.
of you? Okay. Now, write. What to write? Okay. The HCF is the...
Ma'am, we will write this as solution.
This one I am writing the answers. The
Okay, ma'am.
solution. Acha, just wait for 1 minute. Acha, the HCF is the greatest number which divides both of the number, that is which divides 1008 and 2000. Hence, use long division method. Here it will take less time. What will be the subtraction? 299, right? This one 8, Eight is, I can't write 8 over there. I don't know why. Now I think it will be. Okay. Now again by 1 though.
Yes, ma'am. 1 it will do.
It will be 992. Now do the subtraction.
Ma'am, 16.
16. Okay. By 16 now we have to divide this 992.
992. And then 6.
6.
96. Then ma'am 32. The answer will. Then the
Then by
2s are
2.
32.
Good. Now hence the required. Acha, this one is answer of 1. Question number 1, huh?
And if we use prime factorization method, will it be incorrect?
No. I told just Debolin asked. I told that whatever you want, as it is not mentioned, huh? Acha, then write hence the required number is 16.
Ma'am, I have written the HCF of 1008 and 2000 is 16.
That is the HCF. Okay, good. But here it is given in the question, find the greatest number. Then definitely you have to write the answer. Hence the greatest number is this, or hence the required number is this. Okay. In that statement form, you have to write the answer. Understood too? Because
Yes, ma'am, I have completed.
directly it is not asked to find the HCF of this and this. So what is asked in the question, you have to write that statement only. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
I have taken the screenshot. I'll upload. Okay. Achha, now let me start the next one, number 2. The same thing. Find the greatest number which is exactly divisible by, which is exactly divides 3 numbers. The same question number 2, which exactly divides the 3 numbers. What are the 3 numbers? 3020.
Then 2835 and 3120.
Achha, here try to use that prime factorization method. Okay, by taking all of them together.
Okay.
Can I do long division method?
But it will take time, huh? If you use long division method here, because here these numbers are only divisible by 5, huh? Rather than 5, there is no common factor here, huh? Now the question will be, ma'am, how can we understand this one during the exam? Okay. Suppose there are, look, 3 numbers is given to.
By divisibility rule of 5 and 0.
Exactly. Let me, Trisha already told. So suppose these 3 numbers are given to. More than 2, when the numbers will be given 3, just check one time that 3 is common factor or not by mind calculation. Okay. Achha, now I am taking 5 over there. 5, 6, this 0 will come 4, 604. 5, 5, 25, 3 will be there 33. 5, 6 are 30, then 5, 7, 35. Then the next one. 5, 6, 30, 5, 2s are 10, 5, 5s are 25. Okay. Now any common factor is there? Just check by 3. Achha, look, this one 4. So divisible by 2. So definitely only 2 will be common factor there. Now here it is 7, here it is 5. So just check it by 3, 2, 5. 5 so no need to take. 4 is there, 7 is there. Okay, so take 7, 11. Doing, Shaurjashish? No common
Yes,
factor,
ma'am.
na, Divyanka?
Ma'am, with 3 it is not going.
3, now check 5. So by seeing the numbers only you can understand. By 7, basically these numbers are co-prime. Look,
Yes, sir.
co-prime to each other. That's why I told you to do this process. Okay, if you continue division method, na, so it will take too much time, huh? Here, look, it is taking less time, na? Orgodeep, understood?
Yes, ma'am. Only 5 will be.
Exactly. Mirza, Junaid, understood or not? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, here you have to also write the statement. Huh? The greatest number which exactly divides this and this is their HCF.
Yes, ma'am, I have read it.
HCF is the greatest number. HCF is the required number, okay? Hence, the greatest number is, okay, let me write the whole statement, huh? Which divides $2,835 and $25 completely. Completely means there is no remainder. Okay, completely is 5. The remainder is 0. Do it first.
Yes, ma'am, done.
I'm done. Ma'am, I not done.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Okay. Sridatri, Shuhana, are you there? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I can only see your head. Some hairs are there. Okay. Just I can see some hair in the fan. Okay. So Sridatri, put the camera properly. Completed to number 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let me start number 3. I'm reading the question. All of you open page number, open to page number 65. Exercise
Yes,
E.
ma'am. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Number 3, look, find the greatest number. This one, the greatest number which exactly divides this and this. The same question. You can do it yourself. Find the HCF. Fourth one is very much important.
So, ma'am, will you give it HW? Number 3?
Yes, you can do it at home. Number 3, HW. Okay, just number 3 is your HW. Find the greatest number which exactly divides 315 and 865. Okay. Acha, now after 3, I am not going for 4. Okay. Directly jump on 8. Question number 8. Okay. These are similar question. That's why I am directly jumping on 8. Then again I'll come back to 4. Understood though? 4, 5, 6, 7 is little bit different type of question. But 8 is little bit matching with 1, 2 and 3. Okay, number 8. All of you understood? So now I'll explain number 8. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now look. What is in number 8? Find the greatest number which divides 62 and 227. Okay, leaving remainder 2 in each case. Basically the same type of question, 1, 2, 3, but one extra point is added over there. What is that? Find the greatest number which divides this and this, but leaving remainder 3. Suppose the greatest number, whatever we don't know. Okay, I am taking just A. Understood? Ipshita, clear to? I am taking the number A. Okay. Now, if we divide this 62 and this one by this A, suppose we are dividing this 62 by A, what will be the remainder? It leaves the remainder 3. Understood? That is the meaning of the statement. Again, suppose we are dividing this 227 by this A. Here also it will leave the remainder 3. Understood?
No, ma'am, it is 2.
Leaving
Yes,
the
ma'am.
remainder 2.
Yes, ma'am,
Yes,
remainder is 2.
Yes, ma'am. 2 remainder.
Yes. Sorry, beta. Huh? This one leaving the remainder 2. So have you understood up to this? Yes or no?
Yes,
Ma'am.
Yes,
So in
ma'am.
each case, look, in each case, it is leaving the remainder 2. Yes, so that means, look, suppose we are subtracting this 2 from this 62. Then what will be the remainder? This 2 extra will be
0.
subtracted. 0. Then if we subtract this 2 from 62, we will get 60 though. That means 60
Yes, ma'am.
will completely divisible by this A. Then A will completely divide this 60. Yes or no? Then there
Yes,
will be no.
ma'am.
The same thing when we are dividing this 225 by A, it is leaving remainder 2 though. That means this 2 is extra. So if we subtract this extra from 225, 27 it was given. From 227, then 227 minus this 2, we will get 225 na?
Yes, ma'am.
One, then A will to completely divide this number, their only remainder will be 0 though, because this extra remainder too we have subtracted. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it will be 0.
Yes, ma'am.
It will be 0 then. Acha, is it up to this? Clear to all of you? Yash or Godip?
Yes,
Say
ma'am.
yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ohana, Shayon, Anushka.
Yes.
Yes,
That
ma'am.
means up to this, that means we are getting 60 and 225 when we subtract. Hi, yes, say. Safin, understood? Yes, okay. That means we are getting this 60 and 225. In this case, basically what will be the remainder? 0?
0.
0. That means this will be completely divisible by this number A, what we have taken A.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. That means this A is the common factor of these two. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And as it is given the greatest number we have considered, that means this A is the HCF of 60 and 225. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So for this answer, what we have to do? We have to find the HCF of 60 and 225. Now it is clear though?
Yes, ma'am. Clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashmita, Shoham, and Rifa. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Acha,
again.
Acha, who is saying no? I have listened one no. Who is saying no? Acha, that means basically in this type of question, leaving remainder. In this type of question, first what to do? We have to subtract that remainder. Okay. Now write. Okay. The greatest number which when divide (62) and 227 leaving remainder Yes, Tom. I am not writing in each case, okay? Already 2 numbers I have written, that's why, okay? Remainder 2. Now, what to do? As it is leaving remainder 2 in each case, so 60 minus, 62 minus 2, that is equal to 60, and 227 minus 2, that is equal to 225. So 60 and 225. Stop talking. Stop talking. Mute yourself. So 60 and 225, these two numbers are completely divisible by, or you can also write exactly, whatever you want, huh? You can write also exactly. Yes, Ipshita?
Ma'am, I'm saying that exactly.
Okay. Exactly divisible by the greatest number. Yes, to?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, here that number means what? This greatest number, huh? Which divides. That is I dot E comma. That means that is, huh?
Okay,
That
ma'am.
is by their HCF only. Yes, to? That is by
Yes, ma'am.
their HCF. Okay. Hence, find the HCF of 60 and 225. Now,
And by any process we can do, right?
by any process, yes.
Yeah.
I am using long division method, okay?
Ma'am, we can use factorization method, Joe.
Yes, yes, yes. 3 6 are 180. It will be
45.
45 by 60.
60.
260
Then
again
one.
we have to 1.
1.
Minus 45, it will be 15.
15. Good.
Then 45, it will be 3.
Hmm.
45
Hence,
minus 45, it will be 0.
0.
Hence, the HCF is 15.
that means the required number is 15,
15.
right?
Yes,
Now you can check whether your answer is correct or not. How? Just divide 62, this 62 and 227 by this answer 15, and check in each case there is 2 remainder or not. Look, if we divide this 62 by 15, 4 15s are 60, 2 will be remainder. Yes, so yes or no? Response.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
also if we divide this 227 by this 15, then also check there will be 2 remainder. Acha, write the answer hence.
Ma'am, how 2 number can be 1 remainder?
Yes, sir.
Or not 2, the number is remainder.
2 will be the remainder when we divide this 62 and 227 by this 15. Understood, Tom?
Oh, I thought that in 1 number 2 remainder.
No. Basically, it is given in the question now that in each case it leaving remainder 2. So now you can check by dividing. We have got the greatest number to 15. Now you can divide this 62 and 227 by this 15. and you can check whether it is matching or not. Understood to Divyanka, Junaid?
Yes, ma'am.
আচ্ছা সায়ন, অর্পণ, রিয়াজউদ্দিন, ঐশী। আচ্ছা, the same question is number 9. Do number 9. Find the greatest number which divides. There are 3 numbers given, okay? Leaving remainder 3 in each case. So we have to first subtract 3 from each of the number. Yes?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So,
ma'am. Yes,
Modi-
ma'am. Ma'am, can you give this homework?
No, just do it in class. Number 9. Acha, 8 all of you completed too?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am.
Acha, Riyazuddin, Orpon, Oishi and Soumojit, keep your camera on. Acha, Soumojit's camera is broken, I know, but the other student keep your camera on. Okay. Now number 9, start.
And ma'am, I have written that the desired numbers are, ma'am, then 99 minus 3 is equal to 96. Ma'am, it will be right.
Yes, what are you saying? Say one time more. Okay. Now,
Now it started.
Now started.
started. Acha. Acha, the numbers are this minus this, 96. Then 291 minus 3, 288. And the third one, 259 minus 3. 256. Okay. We have to find the HCF of these 3 numbers though.
Yes, ma'am.
Here also you can apply long division method. It will take less time, huh? First 96 and this 256. Acha, here write. Okay, here write. Hence, the greatest number will be their HCF. The greatest number is their HCF. Up to this completed, all of you?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can we
Now
find
find-
the
Find the HCF yourself. Yes. The statement done though.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Ma'am.
Tazib, you can find out the HCF. Yes or no?
No, ma'am, I am finding.
Okay, good. First, divide 256 by 96. Stop talking. By 2, it will be 192, right? Continue. Then you will get 64. What is the HCF of
96. Then it will be 1 minus 64, 32.
32? Then 32.
64 it will be, then 2 will be. Answer 64 minus 64, it will be 0. 32 we have to divide it by 288.
88. Good. Amitrajit doing so. Then we have to divide 288 by this 32. Yes. So 32 is the required answer. Safin, Oritro, done to?
Yes.
I will have to show you the answers. The HCF. Yes or no?
No, ma'am.
No to. Some students are not responding. Anushka, I need to do that. Okay, I am doing. Look at this.
Yes, ma'am. 32 is the answer.
32 into 9 is equal to 288. It will be only 8 CF.
Now we have to divide this 288 by 32. Okay. Those who are unable to find out the HCF, I have already done here. Write it. Acha, now let me check the copies. Those who have completed. Look, 4 questions are left though. Tomorrow I'll complete these 4 questions. Riazuddin, understood?
Ma'am, give all of them homework.
What?
Then what number?
5 and 3 in LCM. Okay, and today from this exercise, no need to do that book sums. Okay, tomorrow I'll complete some extra questions. I will give you as homework in the assignment section. Okay, from R.S. Agarbal. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Now let me
Ma'am,
check the copy.